Hello guys! In this video, I will share with you how to restore deleted Excel files on a Windows 11 laptop. If you have deleted an Excel file and want to restore it again, you can try this method. Here, I will give an example of deleting one of the Excel files in my laptop storage, and I will restore it again. If the file has just been deleted, then restoring it is quite easy. You only need to press the Ctrl and Z keys on your laptop or PC keyboard. But what if the file has been deleted a long time ago and cannot be restored by pressing the Ctrl and Z keys? You can try the second method to restore deleted Excel files. You can filter first to find the file. If you have found the file, then to restore it, click on the file, then write. Click on your mouse, then select Restore. Then the file will come back again.